Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best digital ear otoscopes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Jiusion Wi-Fi USB Digital Otoscopes Endoscope Portable Wax Removal Tool. The use of Wi-Fi and USB digital technology makes the otoscope highly reliable. The ear canal cleaning and the wax removal tool guarantee users great performance. 6 LEDs work perfectly when examining the ear. A carry case is provided, making it easy during observation. The handheld design makes it easy for everyday applications. The wide compatibility of the scope avoids stress. It can work on different operating systems, allowing users to get accurate results. It can clean the ear canal, observe eardrums, and the throat. It is widely applicable. At number 4, Firefly DE550 Wireless Digital Video Otoscope or Scope with 50x magnification and built-in battery. Wireless digital video technology in the device allows easy observation of the inner ear. The built-in battery avoids the stress of having to handle external power sources. Up to 50x magnification assures you clear images. The images produced are clear, allowing easy analysis. Wireless capturing of videos and pictures assure users great results. Rugged industrial construction makes the endoscope highly durable. Up to 150x magnification allows capturing clear images. Adjustable brightness avoids cases where images can be dull, making it hard to analyze. The inbuilt battery works well in making the device stay compact. It can capture software and videos easily. At number 3, USB Otoscope-Earscope camera. This otoscope allows easy entry to the ear canal to examine eardrum. This otoscope do not support iPhone or iPad. Using state-of-the technology to make the camera chip, Anykit is proud to offer a camera sensor up to 1.3 m, so we can provide our customers with clearer images and outstanding color reproduction. In addition, this ear camera has solved the overheating for your safety. This otoscope works with Android 4.5 Plus devices, support OTG and UVC function, Windows 8 July 10 and Mac OS 10.6 plus PC. You can get clear image of your eardrum on your device. The light in the narrow ear canal is very poor. The white lights located on the tip of the camera will help you capture much more realistic images. At number 2, Bysameyee USB Ultra-Thin Digital Otoscopes. Ultra-thin otoscope camera allows you to easily reach for small spaces in the ear when in operation. It can clean the ear as well as observing. The visual earscope and cleaner can remove the earwax easily. 6 adjustable LED light and wide compatibility allow applications on Windows, Android, and Mac. It allows cleaning of the ear while viewing the video. The thin and safe design makes the device very comfortable for everyday applications. A long USB cable creates convenience during application. Wide compatibility avoids the stress of having to choose an operating system. The temperature control chip avoids the issue of overheating. Finally at number 1, Codis Ear Otoscope USB Endoscope Inspection Camera for Android. Ear otoscope with 6 soft warm white LED lights can show a clearer and more realistic ear canal environment. Unlike other blue LED lights and red LED lights on the market, our ear otoscope uses standard disposable specula. The size is suitable for adults and children. The spoons of ear endoscope are made of medical bio-grade PC plus silica material, which are soft and not easy to scratch the ear canal, and can be adjusted in length and direction to adapt to the ear canal with different characteristics. With control function to make the temperature close to our ear canal, it will not be too high or too low. Please rest assured to use. Our ear wax removal tool has fast speed connection function for configuring OV Wi-Fi chip, which makes it easy to connect to your device. Without internet, you also can use the device. Just Wi-Fi connection, not Bluetooth connect. compatible with Android and iOS system of all brands of smartphones and tablets. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.